Hey, what's up, everybody? Stand on Roblox. Like and subscribe. Today I've been using the Blizzard fruit for pretty much my time out here. I'm gonna switch it up. I got it in the back pocket, so if I need it again, I can just always bring it back. But we're gonna be trying out sound. We're gonna be, well, not trying out. We pretty much had it before, but now I'm going back to sound. I'm gonna grind a little bit with that, level that up. So I'm gonna get that to the max level. So, go and take some enemies out with the sound. Here we go. I'm about to eat it. Let's get it started. Well, back to sound. See if we remember everything. I know everybody likes. Everybody likes using the Blizzard.
Everybody likes using the Blizzard fruit.
The tempo and sound goes pretty well together. So yeah, I mean, gotta try it out. Level it up. I can always go back. There's no problem. And I want to get it to 250 so I can use this ultimate move on there. I'll start out slow. See what I can do. Everybody like, oh, probably like, don't go back. Should have stayed with Blizzard. You got the better. I'm about to say. And Louie to take out so many people. There's a few strikes. And you go tempo. There's so much damage. I know it doesn't spam like Blizzard. You can just straight spam it. But you get everybody close enough, you get rid of everybody. And look at ultimate move and all that. Yeah, I just heard a sea beast. I don't know where they go. Would love to take on the sea beast. Now those are all the spots I've never seen them. Always missing the sea beast. Or somebody just killed him before I get over there. I know we heard the CV, so let's have a couple of cases. We don't usually have. It's usually in that island. The Skull Island over there. Like if there's nothing like it, I'll just go back. You get such a boost just flying around. And it's key if things can fly away. Okay, like, you know, go over here and see what we can get into. try it out. I always come over here and whenever the TVs, I always strike out. Never see the TVs. I know there's other places that you find them, but I never find them over here. There, right? I know there was a crazy gift for them, but I didn't really get rid of that. I pretty much I have to actually go back to it, but I just changed it up with the sound. Probably he hasn't fired me. I always be trying to take him. A little above my pay grade. Up there we go. Didn't do as much. Here we go. See if he's battle. I think I could take one all by myself. I can take him down and see. No, what is that? Where were you left? Oh man. I didn't know that it would just leave, but you had to fight it. Oh, well, how? Hope y'all enjoyed that battle with the series. I'll be hunting another one down soon. Please like and follow. Girl, and tell me which fruits I should try next. Let me get my hands on them. But yeah, there we go.